Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Chemistry with Nikita. So stay home and stay safe. Today we are going to learn D and L nomenclature. This is based on a chiral carbon. Okay, this is based on a chiral carbon. So definition of chiral carbon is the carbon having attached four different groups. With four different groups. So this is known as a chiral carbon. Look at this carbon. This attachment is a different four groups A, B, D and G. So this carbon is called as a chiral compound. Okay. So D and L means what? Dextro and Leo. So D is long forms dextro. D long forms dextro and also positive or plus sign, and L long forms Leo, negative sign. Okay, so dextro and Leo. For better understanding we can take one example. Take down the glyceraldehyde. The glyceraldehyde compound having chiral carbon. So there is a four different group attachment in a glyceraldehyde. So write down the molecular formula for glyceraldehyde. Is a carbon, OH group, CHO, hydrogen and CH2 OH. Okay, there are four different group attached to the carbon. So this is a chiral carbon. Okay, then dextro. Dextro means what? The OH group. Consider this OH group which is on a right side of a carbon, chiral carbon. This is a right side of a chiral carbon. So this compound is a dextro or D. Means the OH group present on a right side of the chiral carbon this is known as a dextro or D. So it can be D nomenclature. So consider the mirror image of a glyceraldehyde. Consider the mirror image of glyceraldehyde. Then obviously this OH group present or comes to the left side of the chiral compound. Take down right here mirror image of a glyceraldehyde. So we can write this OH group on a left side. It goes to the left side and hydrogen goes to the right side. So other groups are same as it is. So consider the chiral compound and this OH groups on a left side. So this is known as a Leo or L. Okay. In short, we can write the OH group present on a left side of a chiral carbon, this known as a Leo compound. So write down on left side, this is known as a Leo compound. Okay, so in short, right side of chiral carbon OH present, this is a dextro, and left side OH group present, this is a Leo. For better understanding we can take another examples. There is a three examples. First, consider the first example. This is a chiral carbon and OH group on the left side. So we can say this one is a Leo compound. Okay, this present on the left side, so compound is a Leo. So second example, taking the second example, here is a NH2 replaced by OH. Then consider this NH2 group and NH2 on a right side of the chiral carbon, so it can be D or dextro. In third example, here OH group also on the right side, then we can say this compound also is a dextro. Okay, revise again it. First, second and third groups or third compounds, Leo, dextro and dextro. Okay, so we will revise again this compound. This dextro and Leo compound is related, or this nomenclature is related to the chiral carbon and the glyceraldehyde having mirror image, D compound is gives to L, means D glyceraldehyde gives to the L glyceraldehyde. Okay, so dextro gives Leo when it put in a mirror image. Okay.